Here's how to create, customize, and maximize your Investing Pro watch list to track the companies that matter most to you. First off, let's set up a new watch list. From your home screen, head on over to the navigation bar to the left and click on Watchlists. Now, just click on New Watch List at the top right. You can choose to either clone an actual portfolio made by top-performing investors found in our Ideas tool, or you can create a custom watch list from scratch. For now, let's build our own from scratch. So after you select it, just give it a name, then hit Create. Now let's add some stocks. If you already know which companies you'd like to track, this tool makes it easy. Just click on Add a Company, find it in the search bar, then hit Save Changes to instantly add it to your watch list. From now on, any stock you find using the other Investing Pro tools can be added to this watch list. Just click on a company to pull it up in Overview, then hit Add to Watch List at the top right to keep tabs on it. To make things even simpler, all your watch lists are synced automatically in your Investing Pro mobile app too, which means that you can create, add to, and follow your watch lists wherever you go, all powered with real-time data. And now you're all set to start tracking investments with Investing Pro watch lists.